Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MCOA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one in the past, but the first thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning. Yes, these lines that I'm deleting still pertain to the chart, but given that the price closed now way up there, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and potential confusion. Just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So let's first start by talking about some areas of support. And the initial area is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold up above 6 cents, that would be definitely the best case scenario. Why do I say continue? Well, if you look here, you can see multiple times today the bears try to press down through 6 cents, but each and every time the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong, and that's really the key level. If the price can hold above there, then that's going to be a great sign for the bulls going forward. And I'm not going to really talk about any other levels because the price closed way up there, so it's not even threatening 6 cents at this point in time. But yeah, definitely going forward, 6 cents is that level that you really do want to see hold strong. Now, absolute best case scenario, meaning wow, that chart looks as good as possible, is if the price can stay up above that pink line right there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. That would be, like I said, the absolute best case scenario. Don't get me wrong, though. I'm not saying that if the price breaks below the pink line that everything's destroyed or anything like that. That's just the absolute best case scenario. So if the price can hold above there, that would be best. But even if it doesn't, as we've already talked about, 6 cents you still have down there as a level of support. Now for the fun stuff, what about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance is going to be right up there at 8 cents. I guess the price almost got up to it today. So 8 cents, first key level, if this move is going to continue on upwards. After 8 cents, next key battleground up there at 9.5 cents. So 8 cents, 9.5 cents, next two key levels of resistance. But at the end of the day, in my opinion at least, levels, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority at this point is just building higher bases and putting in those higher lows, which it has been doing. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum this week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.